Welcome to Gateway tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about JWT authentication. So first, we need to modify the host API configuration to add authentication. And so click next, next. So the plugin we're going to use is JWT, which corresponds to this one. So it doesn't matter if you are using lowercase or uppercase. In this filter underline JWT.go, it actually converts the lowercase, if it is all lowercase, it converts lowercase letters into uppercase letters. So yeah, as you can see, to upper. And then after this configuration, we need to configure our proxy. So in proxy, we pass these extra two parameters. So this is to enable JWT plugin, and this is the JSON configuration file. And as you can see, it is here. So this is the JWT secret, and this means this means the encryption method, as in this field, and header authorization. So this means the filter, the JWT filter, will try to retrieve JWT from the authorization field in the headers of HTTP request. So in Postman, it will be like in headers authorization and the JWT. So as you can see, there is a barrel space. So this corresponds to the auth schema barrel, and this is the Redis configuration, Redis server configuration, and the action means so token in Redis is actually the a method in filter underline JWT.go, as we can see here. So what it does is it checks whether the token is in the local Redis. So if it is, then the request is authenticated and redirected to the backend servers. And if it's not, then a HTTP status code 403 is returned. So the prefix corresponds to the prefix in the Redis server. So let's see. So I stored the JWT in the Redis server, and I add this prefix. This prefix is exactly as this. So you can leave it blank. And the reason why I use this, so this is a key value storage. So the value really doesn't matter for now. And now we can test our JWT plugin. So as you can see, it works. And if I cancel the authorization key in the header, then I will get a 403 forbidden. So as you can see, the request is a legal request, but the server is refusing to respond to it because the request is not authorized. Okay. So that would be all. Bye. One more thing. If you like this video, please click like.